Hello, this is my Sprint 4 recap. I'm going to start off with the things I missed last week, which is my flea and flea manager code. So a uh, every mushroom that's in the player box is counted, and every time that reaches 0, a flea spawns. And that's my code for that is right here. We got a constructor which passes in mushroom grid. We got your getters, destructor, update, which controls when the flea despawns and how it checks for if there's a mushroom already on the grid. Then we got the aggressive state that sets to when the health is reduced enough. We got a collision to reset the scene if the player hits the flea. Then we got a check add mushroom, which checks if there's a mushroom already in a spot on the grid. Here's all my methods and constants in the flea. Then we got our flea manager, which spawns a flea on a random grid. And I also have a keyboard keybind to F just for testing purposes from last, like Sprint 2 or something. Then here's the constants for that. As for this week, I did not have time to implement the Scorpion or Singletons or rework the blaster interface. As for the Centipede, you can see how on the top row the Centipede moves left as it checks on the output, and you saw the one time that it said that it hit a mushroom, so that only happens on the diagonal because I have this error that flips how the information is stored in the mushroom grid compared to how it looks like on the screen over that diagonal. So these mushrooms here are actually stored right here. So if there was mushrooms over here, it would have incorrectly said that I got hit. My code is, here's my centipede head, my default constructors, destructors. This is the get the tile, like whatever's in the tile, with an offset, so that way it can be used to tell if there's something in a future tile that the centipede head is moving into. Then we got the column as well. We got the update, which controls which state or when to get the state, which I have it is every 8 frames. The centipede head checks what the next state is, and then it uses a array for the offsets for when it's moving, and then we just have a destructor with the bullet. We got our methods and constants. And we got our interface for the movement. This is what holds the information for each position in a tile. Then we got our collection, which holds all different states, but I only have one enables because that's the one I've been working on. Then here's the one state that I have itself, which just instantiates the entire array with -2 to make it move left. This is how it tells what the next state is with debug information as of right now, because I don't have the other states implemented right now. Then here's the header file for that. And yeah, that's it.